Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a new map using Google Sheets. You can create a new map from any screen using this button up here on the top right. If you happen to be on your home screen, you can just create a new map as well. When we click Create a New Map, we have a dialog box open up, and we are going to name that map. You can add a description if you wish, or you can just simply hit continue. Now in this one, I'm going to choose Google Sheets. That's down here on the bottom right. You're able to sync your Google Sheet with your map. So sync one direction is Google Sheets to Maptive. That means any changes you make in Google Sheets, it will automatically come into your map. But changes in Maptive will not automatically go back to your Google Sheet. Sync two directions is Google Sheets to Maptive and Maptive to Google Sheets. That means any changes in Google Sheets will be reflected on Maptive, and any changes in Maptive will be reflected back on Google Sheets. Make your choice, click Continue. If you haven't already logged in, it will ask you what login you'd like to use, and just simply choose the map data that you'd like to use and hit Select. Now it's going to ask you for a unique identifier. This could be an ID column if that's different for every single line of your data, or in my case, I'm going to use address column. So I'm going to use address, and it asks for an additional column. I'm going to use city because my names repeat themselves. And I'm going to hit check. That's been accepted. Now I can create my new map. You'll see this categorized data pop up. Now it's going to do its best to understand what your address columns and such are. So it was correct, address to address. I do not have an address line 2. Nothing needs to be matched there. That's correct. City to city, state to state, zip code to zip code. Those are all correct too. Country, I don't have a country column, so I'm not going to match anything here. I do happen to have latitude and longitude in this data, so I have latitude matched to latitude, longitude matched to longitude. If you don't have these columns, then you can just simply switch it to no match, and then nothing will be matched to those, and that's okay. In section 2, it's again going to do its best. So name will match to the category, location, name, and title. That means when you hover over a marker, that's the name you'll see. If you click on a marker, the pop-out will show the name at the top. If you have a website column, you'll match that website to website. And again, if your column headers have naming like mine, it's going to match very easily. I don't have an image column in this data. I do have an email column, and I do have phone numbers. So it's done well. I don't have to make any changes. I just hit done. Now your map is complete. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.